Welcome to this video on the Keto Plate, simple and delicious recipes for weight loss and better health. In this video, we're going to explore some of the best keto recipes that can help you lose weight and improve your overall health. What is the Keto Plate? Before we dive into the recipes, let's take a quick look at what the Keto Plate is all about. The Keto Plate is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that has gained popularity over the years for its potential to help with weight loss, reduce inflammation, and improve overall health. By cutting down on carbs and increasing healthy fats, the Keto Plate helps your body shift from burning glucose to burning fat for energy. The benefits of a keto diet. Now that we know what the Keto Plate is, let's take a look at some of the benefits of following a keto diet. Research has shown that a keto diet can help with weight loss, improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and even improve cognitive function. The keto diet, also known as the ketogenic diet, is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet that has gained popularity in recent years. This diet is designed to put your body in a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. While the keto diet is often used for weight loss, it also offers many other benefits for your health. In this article, we'll explore some of the benefits of a keto diet. Weight loss. One of the most well-known benefits of a keto diet is weight loss. When you eat a diet high in carbohydrates, your body uses glucose for energy. However, when you reduce your carbohydrate intake and increase your fat intake, your body enters a state of ketosis. In this state, your body burns fat for energy, which can lead to weight loss. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that people following a keto diet lost more weight and body fat than those on a low-fat diet. Improved insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels. When you eat a high-carbohydrate diet, your body produces more insulin to manage the influx of glucose in your bloodstream. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, which is a risk factor for type 2 diabetes. The keto diet has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which can help reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Reduced inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response of your immune system to injury or infection. However, chronic inflammation can lead to a variety of health problems, including heart disease and cancer. The keto diet has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, which can help reduce your risk of chronic diseases. Improved heart health. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide. The keto diet has been shown to improve several risk factors for heart disease, including high blood pressure, high triglycerides, and low levels of HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that a keto diet can improve cardiovascular risk factors in obese patients. Improved cognitive function. The keto diet has been shown to improve cognitive function in people with neurological disorders, such as epilepsy and Parkinson's disease. It is thought that the ketones produced during ketosis may have a neuroprotective effect on the brain. A study published in the journal Neurology found that a keto diet can improve cognitive function in people with mild cognitive impairment. Keto breakfast recipes. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and on a keto diet, you can still enjoy delicious and healthy breakfast options. In this section, we'll explore some of the best keto breakfast recipes, including 1. Keto blueberry pancakes. 2. Keto egg muffins. 3. Keto avocado toast. Keto lunch recipes. Lunchtime can be a challenge for people on a keto diet, especially if you're used to eating sandwiches or other carb-heavy options. But fear not, there are plenty of tasty and satisfying keto lunch options. In this section, we'll cover some of the best keto lunch recipes, including 1. Keto Caesar salad. 2. Keto chicken salad. 3. Keto cauliflower fried rice. Keto dinner recipes. Dinner is often the biggest meal of the day, and on a keto diet, you can still enjoy filling and delicious options. In this section, we'll explore some of the best keto dinner recipes, including 1. Keto zucchini lasagna. 2. Keto beef stroganoff. 3. Keto grilled salmon. Conclusion. And there you have it, some of the best keto recipes for weight loss and better health. Whether you're new to the keto diet or a seasoned pro, these recipes are sure to satisfy your taste buds and keep you on track with your health goals. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more healthy recipe ideas.